That's the bottom of your feet. You're in the east. That's the front of your body and inside. You're in the west. That's your back. That's what this represents. Has nothing to do with crucifixion. It has to do with identification. The cross. The four gates. The four points of direction. Now look at this word of these 4 points. This is what it spells. Isn't that interesting? And to find out that you're God is certainly good news. Okay? All right. That's the first foundation of this book. This book, now this is going to shock you, is not about Jesus. This book is about you. Yes. Isn't that shocking? How do we know that? By two concepts, two words that we're familiar with when added to this concept here. No, not testimony, testament. Now this is the Latin word from which this concept comes from. Testamenti. Mind. Yes. Now look at this. Old body, old mind. New body, new mind. That's what this book is about. It's about your nature. Your physical nature and your spiritual nature. When you get the keys to read it for knowledge and not for belief. There are 66 books in this Bible. How much is 6 and 6?
12.
Very good. I knew you were smart. How many hours of daylight are there?
24.
No, daylight. Divide 24.
22.
No, divide it in half.
12.
Very good. 12 hours of daylight, 12 hours of night. Well, let me finish this before I get to the other one here. You all were born, at least most of you probably, maybe some of you were born in 8, in 9 months, right? How many numbers are there in arithmetic? Yes. You're going to be shocked again. Aren't you learning arithmetic?
No.
You're not learning how to count?
12. Oh, 12.
No, they're not 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
They're only 9. Because when you get past 9, 0 is not a number. It neither adds up anything or subtracts from anything. So when you get to 11, that's 2 ones. When you get to 12, that's a 1 and a 2, which is already counted in the 9. These are the 9 numbers. That's not a number. This is ought. Yes, dear.
Is it like Miss 10 and the 9 one who could only have 9 if she has 10, she gives one of them to the other one?
Well, yeah, it's kind of like that. Yeah, to get 10, you just take this number and add it to a 0. To get 20, you take this number and add it to a 0. 30, okay? If you want 12, you bring these two numbers. But they're the same numbers. Not the same amount, but the same numbers. Yes, Okay?
Can I ask a question?
Yes.